So welcome to another house tour in San Diego. Today we're going to be going inside 5810 Adobe Falls Road, which is a completely remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-story house built in 1965 with 1,376 square feet on a quiet cul-de-sac street here in the Del Cerro neighborhood of San Diego 92120. This house is in the Hertz Elementary School boundaries, which educates K through 5th grades and is only a half a mile away. Hearst Elementary feeds into Lewis Middle School for 6th and 8th grades, which is just over a mile from the house, and Patrick Henry High School for 9th and 12th grades, which is a short 1.5 miles away. My name's Jesse Morrison, and I'm gonna walk you through the floor plan so that you can see how it flows. And while I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But one quick thing before getting started, I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description below so that you can book a call directly on my calendar. That way, if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. The link will take you directly to my website where you'll click this big green button and then just choose a day and a time that work best for you. And then tell me what you need help with, whether you need to sell your house, buy a new one, or both. All right, let's get into it. All right, here we are outside. Check out the big hillside in the background. And if we turn around here, you can see that it overlooks San Diego State University on a nice quiet street. The reason why it's so quiet is you got a big cul-de-sac over that direction. You're on a hillside, so you have to grade up towards the driveway. You got a brick fireplace here, 2-car garage, nice landscaping, and the rain gutters along the front side here. Nice newer windows. Everything's been upgraded here. You got a nice heavy wood front door. And as you step inside, you'll notice that it's all opened up. Everything is bright and open. You got lots of natural light that comes in through the windows there. Recessed lighting throughout that beam there allows it to be opened up. You have a coat closet here at the entry. Go ahead and check that out real quick. Panning around here, you can see that they have a nice higher end laminate floors, tile in the kitchen. But this kitchen has been highly upgraded. The materials that they use here are very higher end. You got nice stainless steel appliances with the electric cooktop, nice stainless hood, a wide stainless steel sink. You got the dishwasher, you got the built-in microwave. Bosch is the brand. You have tons of pull-out drawers with the soft closing mechanisms throughout. Okay, here's where your trash can is. A good location for that. Tons of quartz countertop space. All right, you got the brush stainless steel faucets, a little area for your coffee. Let's see here. When you open up some of these cabinet doors, you got the pull-out drawers in there as well. And in the corners, you have the Lazy Susan back there. And you even have space here with the built-ins for those your cookie sheets and when you're cooking. That is your wood-burning fireplace. And I like the plantation shutters here. Out that direction is, again, it's San Diego State, and you got the 8 freeway. So on the other side of the street is, it's kind of loud from the 8 freeway, but when you're, on our side of the street, it stays nice and quiet. So pendant lighting, you got recessed lights and ducting throughout for your HVAC system. And this little closet right here is where the HVAC used to be, and they raised it up into the attic, I believe. So that's nice. You got bedroom, 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 and bathroom. And we'll start here in this bathroom. I love the tall vanity in here. Higher end counter space. You got a big, deep, tall tub. All the tile work in here is very nicely done. You got nice pulls in here as well. Lots of drawers. You can tell that the upgrades in this house were done for the homeowner. They weren't done for, you know, like a flip. Notice all the cabinetry, all the storage you have in this hall closet. You can use that for your linens, you can use it for games, cleaning supplies, all sorts of stuff. There's tons of cabinet space. The hard floors come in throughout the hallway, but then you have carpet in the bedrooms. Look at how big this bedroom is. That is the front of the house. And then the carpets in here are very luxurious. They're brand new. You have recessed lighting, your ducting in here as well. You have the mirrored closet doors. And then we'll make our way over across to the master bedroom. So that is a queen size bed, and the closet goes from wall to wall. I like all the built-ins here, and the doors are heavy duty. They get the wood frame mirrored doors. There's lots of like let's see here, like built-ins in here. The drawers you have over on this side, you have like shelving, places to put your racks for your clothes. You have the recessed lighting in here as well. Lots of natural light from the side of the yard. Tons of wall space. Making our way into the master. Hey, how's it going? Again, lots of counter space in the higher vanity. I like the shower in here and the heavy duty glass doors. The tile work in here again is really nicely done. Let's see here. All right, you got nice lighting in here. Oh, so we have a pocket door here to keep the separation. I like that it's a pocket door because then you don't have doors, swinging open and hitting each other. This is the third bedroom. Now they got it staged as an office and like a guest space, but you only have this access to the backyard. This is the only way to get to the backyard. It does have a closet and stuff, so this is technically a bedroom, but it is your only way into the backyard. You have a nice big heavy sliding glass door, beautifully private backyard. That's your garage. We'll get that a little bit later, but your rain gutters continue out this direction. That's your AC condenser. Making our way to the side, you have a nice private gate, but tall fencing throughout keeps it nice and private again. The lot goes up the hill and around and then back down. So that's pretty far up there. This is turf, so low maintenance turf, no watering this. All right, so I'll show you the side of the house real quick. Also very clean. It's not super wide, but out there was the kitchen and the living room. The rain gutters again extend. There's San Diego State across the way. If you ever needed to maintain up there, you would go through this gate, and then you could make your way up there and garden or just take care of the yard up that direction. So before we finish up, I want to take you back through the house and make our way out towards the garage, because I want to show you where the laundry is and just show you how nice they kept the garage is. The unfortunate thing about the garage is that there's no direct access to the house. In order to get to the garage, you have to go through the front door and open things up this way. But look at how nice the garage is. They epoxied the floors. You have, your laundry here. You got a new water heater, a workbench, tons of cabinetry. That's your access to your backyard. Again, look at all the space for storage. You got the redwood framing, nice wide garage. Very easy to park your two cars in here without banging doors. Again, this is where we just came from, the backyard area. But overall, that's our home. It's beautiful. All right, thank you so much for touring 5810 Adobe Falls Road with me. If anyone you care about could benefit from this information, please just make sure to share this video using that share button below. Again, my name's Jesse Morrison, and if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, go ahead and use that link in the description section to book your free call directly on my calendar. That way we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I suggest that you check out this video that YouTube thinks that you should watch next, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up with everything about San Diego real estate and our housing market.